Hi, I'm Todd, GM of Mag-Torch, and today we're going to talk a little bit about our DuraCast 575 torch. This torch features a static regulator that allows you to have a consistent flame despite angle of operation, ambient temperature, or the amount of fuel that's left in your cylinder. It features an adjustable flame, so you do have the ability to throttle up or down your flame structure while you're working on the job that needs to be done. It has a trigger lock feature that won't allow you to ignite the torch if the trigger is locked out. It has a run lock feature, so once you do go from an instant on, instant off trigger start, you can go with a run lock so you don't have to have your finger on the trigger while running the flame. This torch can be used in an inverted position. It has a construction of a DuraCast body, so for extra strength for those tough job sites. It also is able to be used with our premium fuel, which is MAP-Pro, as well as propane fuel. So the torch works very simply. You open the valve, turn the run lock or the trigger lock to on, you pull the trigger, you have a flame, you release the trigger, the flame goes out. If you want the continuous run, you just hit the continuous run button and the torch will run without having your finger on the trigger. This is a great torch for whether you're doing soft solder work on 1/2 inch or even trying to join metal if you're a craft or hobbyist where you're trying to do types of metal brazing work. Great for that type of thing. Just an all-around wonderful torch to use. If you need more information about this torch or any of our other torches, please visit us on magtorch.com.